Hey there, people. Now, I was on the bus the other day. And my phone went off. I mean, I don't know about you, but I don't have the usual Nokia, iPhone, or Samsung ringtones that everybody else has. I just have the most inappropriate, weird, unusual ringtones ever. Now, that's why people looked at me as if I was an elephant wearing a clown costume trying to balance on a ball when my ringtone went off.
Hey beautiful, you've got a text message.
I don't even know why I have these ringtones. Yeah, you do. And that's not the worst thing. The worst thing is that they go off at the most inappropriate, most uncomfortable times. When I'm behind a bush. No, that wasn't for you. In the middle of a conversation about your grades with the principal. Miss, I'm gonna need to get some extra credit on that assessment. I mean, I really did fail, and I don't want to fail this class, and I think I'm gonna go. Even when I'm reading a mystery novel. Oh my god, it's not that hard. This is not Mission Impossible. They just randomly decide to go off. It's just too much. But what about you? Do you have any stories where your really awkward ringtone went off? If you do, comment down below. I would love to read how awkward your stories are, because I love awkward situations very much. Now, maybe your friends have some situations like these, really awkward ringtones. If they do, maybe you should share this video with them. And maybe they could feel like they are not alone in this. Maybe I'm alone in this. Please give me a great thumb, subscribe, and I will see you next week. I'm probably gonna put this like after the video, so this would be like the video after video of video, if that made any sense. I just wanted to say, I want to give a big shout out to my friend Iris. I love you. And to my friend Naomi, thank you for supporting me and having laughs and giving me ideas. And thanks for being there. And guys, please subscribe. I would ask you to like click on my hat, but I don't know how to do the hat clicky thingy to subscribe. So just click the subscribe button or a great thumb. And I make videos every week. Comment down below. And with that, I'm off. Oh, happy birthday, Veronica.